Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about how you can pass the data from one component to the another. This is possible with the help of using the props. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Vue 3, you can pass the data from one component to another using the props. Props allow you to pass data from one parent component to a child component. So first we will create the parent component in the components. Okay, let's create it. So this is our parent component. Okay, so let's copy and paste it over here. Next we have to create a child component. So let's create the child one also. So child component, let's add this code over here. Okay, so what our question is, like how we can pass data from one component to another. Okay, so here we have the parent component. You can see that this is my parent component. Okay, and this is the child component, right? Passed message. So whatever the message is here, it will print over here. Okay, let's call this parent component in the app view, right? We have to call this one. Okay, this is parent component. Okay, child component we have done. Okay, so in the parent, so how we are doing this one, so we have the child component, and here you can see this is the child. Okay, here we have the data received from the parent, passed message. Okay, here we can see that export default props, passed message string. Okay, and here we have a parent component, and component would be the child. Okay, you can see that at the message whatever we have passed. So in the parent component we have include the child component, and how we have do that with the import. So import child component from the child component view, right? So here you can see that it's there. Okay, and whatever the message we have passed, it will print over here in the child component, right? So let's include this parent component in the app view. So here we have greeting basically, so let's make it greeting without. So let's remove this and add the parent. So here we have a parent component view. So let's add the parent component. So just copy and paste this one here, save. Let's check this. Welcome to my view app. So here we have a parent component, data in the parent component, hello from parents. Okay, so if I go over here, you can see that this is parent component, data in the parent component, message is hello from the parent, right? And there is a child component, past message. So let's check the child component over here. Okay, so past message and the data received from the parent. So what will print? Data received from the parent. So what is the message? That is hello from the parent, because here in the parent, what message we are sending? Hello from the parent. Past message would be the message, and how we are calling over here? Past message using the props. Okay, so this is how you can transfer, or you can get or pass the value from one component, parent component, to the child component with the props. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.